Hi, thanks for choosing Sammy's. What can I get for you today?
Hi, yes, I'll take the chicken sandwich.
Anything else?
Nope, that'll be all.
Close to the window.
All right, thank you.
How many napkins do you need? Nobody's that messy. 5 bags of food? Are you kidding me? This isn't Costco. Are you feeding a family or a small country? I'll just go somewhere else and get some more food. I'm just going to get out of the drive-thru and get something somewhere else. But I love their chicken. It's so good. Why are you looking into your bag? Go, 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 please. Go. Gotta be kidding me. I'm starving. I just want a chicken sandwich. There's only 4 cars in front of me. What's going on? It's been 45 minutes.
Here you go, sir. Here's your chicken.
Thank you. All right, now time to renew my license. Off to the BMV.
No!